Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to put Spotify on Discord. Let's dive in. Open Discord, and if you tap on your profile, you might notice that your current Spotify song isn't showing. I'll walk you through how to fix that. First, go to Settings in the bottom left corner of Discord. In User Settings, scroll down to the Connections section. Here, you'll see various platforms you can link to Discord. Tap on the Spotify logo to connect your Spotify account. A browser window will open, prompting you to log in to Spotify. If you're already logged in, it will connect automatically. Once you're done, go back to Discord. Now, you'll see your Spotify account listed under Connections. Make sure the options for Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status are both switched on. Now, press Escape to close the Settings menu. To check if it's working, start playing a song on Spotify. Head back to Discord, tap on your profile, and you should see your Spotify activity displayed, along with the current song you're listening to. It's that easy. Now, whenever you're in a server, other members will see that you're listening to Spotify and can even see the specific song. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and peace.